Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful tool that can be a game changer for Android app analysis. We're talking about Apk2url, a command line utility specifically designed for Kali Linux. So, buckle up and let's explore what this tool is all about, how it works, and why it's essential for your cybersecurity toolkit. What is Apk2url? An async tool to quickly extract IP and URL endpoints from APKs by disassembling and decompiling. Well, imagine you have an Android app and you want to understand its underlying structure, extract resources, or even modify it. That's where Apk2url comes in. It's a tool that takes an Android package file as input and converts it into a URL-friendly format. This might sound a bit abstract, but it's actually quite powerful. By transforming an app into a URL, Apk2url essentially creates a virtual file system that you can access through a web browser. This means you can explore the app's contents, download specific files, or even modify them without the need for additional tools. It's like having a digital microscope for your Android apps. So, why would you want to use Apk2url? Let's break down some of the key use cases. Reverse engineering. Understanding how an app works is crucial for security researchers. Apk2url allows you to delve into the app's code, identify potential vulnerabilities, and analyze its behavior. App analysis. Want to know what permissions an app requests, what libraries it uses, or what data it collects? Apk2url can help you extract this information easily. Malware analysis. If you suspect an app is malicious, Apk2url can assist in identifying suspicious code, hidden components, and other indicators of compromise. App modification. While not recommended for most users, Apk2url can be used to modify APK files, but proceed with caution as this can lead to instability or security issues. Now, let's get our hands dirty and see how to use Apk2url. Make sure you have the APK file you want to analyze ready. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory containing the APK file. Then, run the following command: replace your app.apk with the actual name of your APK file. Once the process is complete, Apk2url will provide you with a URL. Open this URL in your web browser to explore the app's contents. You'll see a directory-like structure, allowing you to browse through the app's files, resources, and metadata. You can download individual files or entire directories as needed. Apk2url offers several additional options and flags to fine-tune its behavior. For example, you can extract specific file types, create compressed archives, or even modify the output format. However, it's essential to use Apk2url responsibly and ethically. Reverse engineering apps without proper authorization can be illegal. Always respect the terms of service and privacy policies of the apps you analyze. And there you have it, Apk2url is a versatile tool that can be a valuable asset for anyone interested in Android app analysis. From security researchers to developers, this tool can help you uncover insights and gain a deeper understanding of how apps work. Remember to experiment responsibly and always respect the legal and ethical implications of your actions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.